Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a time recorder. First, carefully unpack your new time recorder and ensure all components, like the power adapter and any mounting hardware, are present. Next, choose a stable, flat surface for placement, ideally near a power outlet for easy access. Finally, securely connect the power adapter to the device and then plug it into the wall. This ensures your device has a stable power supply from the very beginning of the setup process. Once powered on, the next crucial step is connecting your time recorder to your network. You can typically do this using an Ethernet cable for a wired connection or by configuring Wi-Fi settings through the device's menu. After establishing network connectivity, navigate to the system settings to accurately set the current date and time. Don't forget to configure the correct time zone. This is vital for ensuring all attendance records are precise and consistent, aligning with your operational hours. With your device connected and time set, it's time to enroll users. Most time recorders offer multiple methods, such as scanning fingerprints, swiping RFID cards, or entering unique personal identification numbers. After enrollment, assign appropriate access levels and permissions to each employee, ensuring they can only access what is necessary. Always test user authentication immediately after registration to confirm that each individual can successfully clock in and out without any issues, ensuring smooth daily operations. Finally, let's talk about managing the valuable data your time recorder collects. Connect the device to your dedicated time management software, usually via a network connection or USB, to transfer attendance records. This software allows you to generate comprehensive attendance reports, which are essential for accurate payroll processing and ensuring compliance with labor regulations. Remember to regularly back up your data to an external drive or cloud service. This critical step prevents any potential loss of important information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.